Not many things are more important than protecting your home from harm. It may appear that everything is safe now, but sometimes that can quickly change. Fortunately, you can help increase the security of your home by adding these simple tasks to your maintenance schedule. Monthly, you're going to want to test your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors by simply pushing the test button on the detector. Now, if a detector is not working properly, try changing out the battery first before replacing it. And while you're up here on the ladder, give it a quick cleaning because any excessive dust around the grill here can inhibit it from working correctly. For peace of mind, I recommend replacing your smokes every 10 years and your carbon monoxides every 7. Next is check your fire extinguishers. And I'm embarrassed to say, especially because my old man owns Daytona Fire and Safety, and being a son of somebody that's in that industry, I'm embarrassed to say that there isn't one. So I printed up a picture of a fire extinguisher just in case if you didn't know what it looked like. So on the fire extinguisher, the needle should always be in the green zone right here. If it's in the red, it needs to be recharged or replaced. Additionally, you're going to want to check the extinguisher for any damage, and you're going to want to place it in a readily available location within the home. Next, test your home's locks. Confirm that both the knob and the deadbolt are fully functional on every exterior door, and replace any locks that are not working correctly. Every 6 months, you're going to want to sharpen your knives. Try to avoid using dull knives because they could actually be more dangerous than sharp ones because you have to apply more pressure to cut and it's easier for the blade to slip off. So you can sharpen them yourself after every 2 to 4 uses, but I would recommend having them professionally sharpened twice a year. Clean out your medicine cabinet by removing any expired medications and follow the disposal instructions on the label. And please never take any expired medications as they can be hazardous to your health. Perform a fire drill. Practicing your exit strategy in the event of an emergency can be a life-saving process, as you may only have a couple minutes to get out of the home. Have each member of the family go to their bedroom, push the test button on the smoke detector, practice walking low to the nearest exit, and then set up a predetermined location to meet away from the home. Ensure that everyone can open all of the windows and doors throughout the home so that there's multiple ways to escape just in case if an exit is blocked. Yearly, you'll want to disconnect your dryer's ductwork and take a vacuum with the hose and vacuum out any lint buildup in the dryer and the ductwork. While you're doing this, I would also just check the ductwork for any damage. Make sure the exterior vent, the louvers or flap are working properly and that it's not blocked. Next, update your emergency contacts. Keep an updated list handy in a kitchen drawer or on the fridge of the numbers of poison control, the police and fire departments, and any of the family's doctors. Lastly, have your chimney checked and cleaned once a year by a professional. They can clean the inside of the chimney and remove any flammable materials like soot and creosote buildup. It's important to prioritize safety around the home to protect your loved ones. If you're unsure of what to look for, safety hazards are one of the items that we look for when doing an annual home maintenance inspection for you. During your annual home maintenance inspection, we'll go through the whole house and make a list of all the items that need to be repaired or replaced, as well as any safety hazards that need to be corrected. You can book your inspection at any time at inspectandcheck.com, or you can call or text me at 773-403-3298.